we learn the chapter sets. Sets is an important and easy chapter. Here we know what is meant by set. Set is nothing but of collection of things, often numbers also. So types of sets also listed here. We see collection of things. It may be names of animals, names of objects, or numbers, whatever it may be. These are the things, collection of things. So in every set there is elements. So elements also important aspect in the set. So the things which are in the set are called elements. Now take A equal to 4, 5, 6. So A is a set. Here 4, 5, 6 are elements. Now A equal to 4, 5, 6. 4 is the one element and 5 and 6 other elements. Now see notation. First one is belongs to, an element of. Second one is not belongs to, is not an element of. So here some sets are written. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 4, C equal to 2, 3. I take 1 belongs to A. So 1 belongs to A. 1 exists in A, and 1 is not belongs to B. So 1 is not in B. Again, third notation is a subset of. Subset of. Now 2, 3, C is subset of A. C is the subset of A. And again another notation is union, and another intersection. Notation meaning is a subset and may be equal. So subset and may be equal. So subset, another one is a subset may not be equal. So both the notation difference see here, may be equal and may not be equal. So whenever you use subset, you careful write in writing these signs. So subset equal and not subset. In other books also subset and not subsets are also written, but whatever it may be, you see as we told first. Notation, another notation, union of sets. Union means includes all elements in both sets. So if you observe A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 4, and on combining A and B you get 1, 2, 3, 4, that equal to A union B. Second one is intersection of sets. So it takes only common elements. So in A and B, what are the common elements? 2 only. So intersection. Pi means empty set. Here is no empty set, and we take one example. And notation, pi are empty brackets. So these are the important notations. And again, important sets of numbers: natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, real numbers. N, Z, Q, R. So these are the important number systems. So n equal to So here n equal to 1 2 3 4 etc. These are the counting numbers, so it is a one set, natural number set. Next, integers z equal to, we see negative numbers 0 and positive numbers and rational numbers. So all type of fractions. Again, real numbers are nothing but rational and irrational numbers, and numbers with all decimal expansion. These are all sets. Now n is subset to z and z is subset to q, q is subset to r. Here now some symbols, meaning and examples. So here symbol meanings and notations of sets, all are these important in solving sets problems. So remember these well.